These gadgets will make you question reality. From mind-reading rings to levitating lights, this isn't the future, it's right now. Let's dive into 15 mind-blowing gadgets you need to see before they go viral. Number 1. The AI Ring. Forget touchscreens. The AI Ring lets you swipe through apps, send texts, and control your smart home, all by waving your finger. How it works? It uses motion sensors and Bluetooth to detect gestures. A tiny processor interprets your finger's movement in real time, sending commands to your devices wirelessly. If you thought wearables peaked with smartwatches, think again. Number 2. Smart Noise-Canceling Mask. Say goodbye to noisy coffee shops. This mask creates a private bubble of sound. You'll only hear what you want to hear. How it works? It uses directional speakers and AI-driven noise-canceling tech. It maps ambient noise and plays anti-sound waves that cancel out distractions, while focusing voice audio directly to your ears. Coming up next, a phone you can literally see through. Number 3. Transparent phone. This phone looks like a glass sheet, but it works like your high-end smartphone. Yes, really. How it works? Using transparent OLED panels and touch-sensitive circuits embedded in the edges, the device combines see-through visuals with full touchscreen functionality. But what if your couch could charge your phone and play music? It can. Number 4. Smart furniture with built-in tech. This couch isn't just comfy. It charges your phone, streams music, and adjusts the temperature to your preference. How it works? Wireless charging coils, Bluetooth speakers, and smart fabric with embedded thermal controls connect to your phone or voice assistant to respond instantly. You won't believe what this next gadget can do with a few pedals and a fold. Number 5. Foldable electric bike. This bike folds in half, fits under your desk, and takes you 20 miles on a single charge. How it works? A compact lithium-ion battery powers a silent hub motor, while the frame uses aircraft-grade aluminum with a hinge lock system for 1-second fold. You've heard of smart homes, but what about a chef that lives on your kitchen counter? Number 6. Robotic chef arm. This robotic chef can stir, fry, and plate a meal better than most humans. How it works? Built with AI pathing and heat-resistant joints, it reads digital recipes, grabs ingredients, adjusts heat, and mimics chef movements down to the millimeter. Too lazy to fold clothes? Your closet might beat you to it. Number 7. Self-organizing closet. This AI closet folds, sorts, and stacks your laundry automatically. How it works? It uses robotic arms and 3D vision sensors to detect clothing types, then folds and organizes them into labeled compartments with zero human input. You carry this next gadget around your neck, and it filters the air you breathe. Number 8. Portable air purifier necklace. Wearable clean air, no matter where you go. How it works? It emits negative ions that repel pollutants and allergens, creating a shield of purified air up to 3 feet around your face. This robot can climb your windows and clean them without a single streak. Number 9. Window cleaning robot. Meet the gadget that scales your windows like Spider-Man and leaves them spotless. How it works? Vacuum suction keeps it attached to vertical surfaces, while AI mapping tech allows it to clean in smart grid patterns, with zero overlap or missed spots. Coming up, a lamp that floats in the air using magnets. No strings. No joke. Number 10. Magnetic floating lamp. It spins, it floats, and it looks like it belongs in Tony Stark's lab. How it works? Built-in electromagnets and gyroscopic balancing keep the lamp hovering inches above the base, powered wirelessly through magnetic induction. Ever wondered if your soap dispenser could grade your hygiene? This one does. Number 11. Smart soap dispenser with health scanner. Clean hands just got smarter. This gadget scans your hand and tells you if you're washing properly. How it works? Built-in sensors measure scrub time, pressure, and area coverage, displaying results via LED indicators and syncing to your health app. The next gadget follows you around like a robot pet, but it's your luggage. Number 12. Smart luggage that follows you. Hands-free travel. This smart luggage follows you anywhere, even dodging crowds. How it works? It uses object recognition and lead DR-based pathing to follow its owner while avoiding people, curbs, and collisions. Need ice in 6 minutes while camping? Done. Number 13. Portable ice maker. Chill anywhere. This mini ice maker turns water into cubes in under 6 minutes. How it works? It uses a compact compressor and a dual-speed fan to rapidly chill water into bullet-shaped cubes, all powered by USB-C power bank. You've seen voice assistants, but what if they could appear right in front of you? Number 14. Hologram Desk Assistant. This AI doesn't just talk, it shows up in 3D. How it works? Using a combination of 3D light field projection and motion tracking, the hologram responds to voice, gestures, and eye contact, like a virtual assistant in AR. And finally, the wallet that's smarter than a safe. Number 15. Smart wallet with fingerprint lock. This wallet knows you. Literally, it won't open unless it scans your fingerprint. How it works? A biometric scanner unlocks the wallet, while GPS tracking and RFID shielding protect it from theft and digital skimming. Miss any of these gadgets? Rewind. Your future self will thank you. Which gadget blew your mind the most? Drop your favorite in the comments. And if you're all about unlocking the future before it arrives, subscribe and hit that bell. We drop next-gen tech every single week, only here on FutureFlex.